Hi, Veronica Andersson here, and I am going to tell you about these juices I bought for my kids today. Well, they are Star Wars and planes, so commercial drinks, some sort of, and what's funny, eggs, like Kinder eggs. And I figured this would be pretty easy to open, but maybe not. Looks could be the... yeah. I will probably have juice all in my bedroom, all over the bedroom floor. Yes, but I figured since I opened Kinder eggs, I should also open this. Nope. Nope. Let's see. What have we here? What do we have? What do we have? Oh! Haha! It's quite cute, actually. Let's see. It's a miniature, it's a figure. It's a figurine of a Star Wars Star Trooper, I guess. And a little tag, keychain thing. It says, I don't know if I could get this on camera. Lucasfilm Limited. Well, I don't know. Maybe. Quite cute, actually. I got surprised. Better than expected. It's just plastic with a sticker, but anyway, I guess you buy these for the juice, and I can tell you, I don't like the juice, but well, one of my kids liked it. Now I should go for the planes too, and see if that is as hard as that one. Nope. I got some training with the other one, with the Star Wars one, so this will be easier. Whoops! Whew. Ah, this one, it contains same plastic keychain tag thing. Could have it on your phone or such. Rip Slinger. I haven't seen planes too. My oldest child was with his grandmother to the cinema and saw it. Also, same plane on a sticker. One of these thicker stickers. Yeah, and a casual sticker. So, I would say these things actually better than most Kinder eggs, I think. These, I mean, it's not high quality. It costs what, a cent or something to make, but like I said, I guess you're probably get these for the use, not for the extras, surprises. And I paid 25 Swedish kronor for two, and there's 3 deciliters of juice in each, so 6 deciliters of juice for that price. Not so bad. And also these surprises. I think you could live with that. Nothing I will keep, I think. Maybe the kids want it, because after all it's their use. But for me, I say, nah, nothing for me. Well, now I must go and explain to my kids why their juice bottles looks like this. And that's all for me. Thank you. I hope to see you again. I have a new pack of Kinder eggs in my in my fridge, and I will open them as soon as I have fixed the camera's battery, because I must charge it. Sorry. Well, I hope this was quite informative. I hope to see you again. Thank you very much.